Yesterday, the United States Supreme Court held that the Department of Homeland Security's rescission of DACA was invalid. This decision is monumental for Americans who either currently have DACA status or wish to achieve it. At Greenwood Law, we are always keeping up to date on new and developing law that may affect our clients. DACA, or the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, has allowed those who entered the United States without authorization as children to apply for a 2-year deferment from removal. Conferring DACA status also allows recipients to work and receive certain federal benefits such as Social Security and Medicare. The Supreme Court's decision has allowed DACA to return to its status before the Department of Homeland Security's rescission just a couple of years ago. Also, the House of Representatives has passed the American Dream and Promise Act, which provides for a streamlined process for DACA recipients to receive permanent residency. The bill also cancels removal proceedings for certain aliens who entered the United States as a child and grants conditional permanent residency for 10 years. This bill is expected to move forward in the Senate and could significantly impact DACA recipients. So what does this all mean for North Carolinians? First, due to the Supreme Court's decision, DACA still stands. But will Homeland Security follow up with another rescission? Really, only time will tell. Unfortunately, since the Supreme Court did not discuss policy reasons underlying DACA, either for or against it, it appears Homeland Security could follow with another letter to rescind. Second, will the government be accepting new applications for DACA status? This is currently unclear. What this should mean is that if you are eligible for DACA, but did not have a chance to file your initial application before the Trump administration tried to end it on September the 5th, 2017, you should be able to apply soon once the government reopens applications, as long as you meet the requirements for eligibility. If you're currently a DACA recipient, you can continue to renew your status so long as you meet the requirements. If it has been less than 1 year since your DACA has expired, then you can still file your renewal normally. If you previously had DACA, but your DACA protections expired more than a year ago, you can still renew, but will need to file the renewal as if it were an initial application. Finally, depending on how the American Dream and Promise Act fares in the Senate, DACA recipients could soon have a streamlined process for achieving permanent residency. We will continue to watch the situation develop further and update you as more information becomes available. Subscribing to our YouTube channel and Facebook page will get you the quickest updates on DACA or any other legal issue you may face. And as always, do not hesitate to call our office if you have any questions or want to consult regarding a potential DACA application or renewal.